Good morning, day 17, and I posted on Facebook today that I have lost 20 kilos since last July, and I can't take all the credit for myself, although it was all my hard work. Noom really helped me, and I'm still doing the Noom program. It's food psychology. It's not about limiting or not having this or can't have this kind of food or that kind of food, or it's it's freeing anyway. It's really worked for me when nothing else did. Right. So that's my plug for Noom and my plug for me. 20 kilos. Woot woot. Anyway, so this beast. This beast is what I am doing my final row on, and because it's for a really Viking sized large man, I've made it a rather large hug, and I've made a blue edge with, this is called Flurry, and so instead of using my 15 hook, I'm using my 9 hook, and because the Flurry is significantly thinner than all the other chunky yarns in here, I'm putting a lot more stitches into this final edge. So when we do a gap between treble sets, I'm putting in 4 stitches, 4 crochets. Oh, look, yeah, I tell you what, I got on YouTube and started looking at other crocheting people and what they talk about and how they do stuff, and I got so wangle-fangled in my head about what's a double crochet and what's a crochet and what's a treble and what's English and what's American. All I can say is follow what I do, and if the words coming out of my mouth don't match what you think you're seeing, do what I do. Don't listen to what I called it. But anyway, so we're doing a crochet. We're doing 4 of them. 2, 3, 4, because the gap is so wide, and then we're doing 2 into the holes between each treble. So 2 crochets. Yeah, because it would appear that I have my terminology in both camps, and I don't know, maybe I wasn't listening properly when I was taught as a kid, but hey, it was pretty normal. I did most things with what my hands told me I needed to do because my eyesight is particularly poor. Anyway, so 4 and 2 and 2 and 4. So to get the corners looking nice, yeah, I've saved you a corner, but I'll show you a corner I've already done. To get the corners looking nice, I've done 7 into around the corners. So yeah, 1, 2. So the name of that Polish TV series that I'm watching is called Signs, and the name of it in Polish is Zanecki, like Taranaki with a Z in front of the necky. Anyway, I think that's the bit that was making me not remember any of it, because every time I saw it, I related it to Mount Taranaki. And there you go. So, Signs on Netflix. And yeah, it's coming along quite nicely too. I'm kind of impressed with the Polish content, and that it's not too harsh, but kind of relevant in a really rustic way. And so far, there's been no mad pandemic stuff, which is kind of cool, because like I'm a little over that. But anyway, yeah. So today we're expanding our bubble, and we're going to see my mum and dad to do the care stuff that we do for them on a normal Saturday, and just to see them, and they will be in our level 3 bubble, which is kind of cool. Anyway, I'm getting, well, I should be getting ready to go out there, because we'll take food out, and we'll take a newspaper out for Dad, and yeah, and I might even find a little Father's Day something to take out for Dad too. He's taken to wearing face masks as normal daily attire, and good for him. And so I have a blue face mask, which he's either going to love or hate. Here I am going around the corners, but I think you'll like it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then into the 2. There we go. So really close to finishing this, and it's really good having somebody I know that hopefully will love this as the recipient, because it's sure heavier than what I would normally have on as a hug, but then he's significantly bigger than what I am too. Right, okay, it really is really big and really snuggly. Right, now have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, ciao, bellas and senors.